Hi mga ka-UVG, magpapaumanin ako dahil dun sa reading ko before, recently, na nasabi kong May, which is halata talaga na hindi naka-present sa kasalukuyan eh. Hindi absent ako absent. So, sorry lang. So, ito na, tingnan natin kung ano ang third week. Third week of June. Okay. Maraming salamat po pala. Meron ditong away. Nag-aaway ka ba, Virgo? O merong nag-aaway in front of you? I don't know. Regarding sa finances, I think some of you sa community mo, environment mo, connected sa'yo, mga taong connected sa'yo. Or ikaw mismo. Okay, so may nakikipag-away dito, bangayan about finances. By the way, thank you so much po sa mga new subscriber natin. Stay connected po tayo. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. Thank you po in advance. And tingnan natin. Collective, UVG Collective. Tingnan natin kung ano ang anong third week of June. 5 of Swords, komprontasyon sa mga finances. Okay. Ako si ganito, ako si ganyan, ako nag-ano nito, ako nag-ano yan, ikaw, sahod mo, something in that energy. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw to Virgo or someone is asking or confronting here about finances or about a certain situation. 5 is changes. Pag mag-take place ang conversation na to, malaking changes ang magte-take place. So, it requires anyway. So, merong foundation dito na with the 5 of Swords. Anyway, tingnan natin. Tell me more. The Empress. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? Kung ikaw ay lalaking nanonood nito, mas mataas lang ang Empress energy mo, feminine side. Okay, yung compassion, yung understanding. Card mo, lumabas na, Virgo. The Hermit card. Introspection, seeking the truth. Gathering information. Okay. Ace of Pentacles, new beginning, opportunity, the Judgment card, rebirth. Ibig sabihin, buntis, may mga nganak or may nag-introspect dito about life, something in that line. The Judgment card. Mag-spread out muna ako bago ko sabihin lahat ng senaryong gumugulo sa isip ko. Toxic, the Devil card. Codependency. As I said, meron ditong nagbabangayan regarding sa finances. Ikaw ganito, ikaw kasi ganyan. King of Cups, ay Queen of Wands, tsaka King of Cups. Meron tayong tatlong tao dito. Okey. Eight of Cups, Seven of Swords. Mhm. The Wheel of Fortune. Karma is Two of Cups. Clarify ko lang yung Devil, okey. So, definitely with the Wheel of Fortune, it is what it is. Life goes on, people come and go. Okay, kind of mentality, okey. Samantalang mayroong isa dito with introspection card. Um, Meron na kasing ang Judgment card kasi is a calling. You are being called to do something. For some of you, promotion, being recognized at work, or being recognized on what you are doing, okay, behind the scene. Ace of Pentacles, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, pero merong someone dito na nag-introspect pa regarding sa i-offer ba ang Ace of Pentacles na to, deserve mo ba, or baka ikaw nag-introspect, deserve ba ng person or ng community itong i-offer ko or something. So meron dito nag-introspect. Itong person na to is like emotionally intelligent. Alam niya kung paano i-hold on ang kanyang emotion, okay? Yung para bagang very tough outside, pero 'pag pumasok sa kwarto or sa CR iiyak. Okay, so kunyari naghilamos lang, lalabas, you know what I mean, Virgo. So, for some of you, someone walk away. Meron kasi ditong naaamoy, meron ka ditong maaamoy, hindi ko alam kung sino kinakausap ko, either way, okay. Meron isang person dito na nakakaamoy ng very fishy situation regarding sa finances na asking something here. Okay. With the Seven of Swords kasi, um, with the Seven of Swords, stealing, lying, cheating, nag-i-introspect ka pa dito kung deserve nilang bigyan or deserve nilang, hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang magbibigay or silang magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity. Either way, pasensya na meron akong pusa sa ilalim. Okay. Um, so yun ang nakikita ko dito. Either ikaw ang nag-i-introspect ng sitwasyon kung karapat-dapat bang bigyan ng opportunity to or something, or baka someone is studying you, may nag-i-introspect sa'yo, okay, kung deserve mo ba ang opportunity na 'to. Okay, for some of you, in some point, um, merong naaamoy na sneakiness dito, eh. Clarify more. Tower card, unexpected. Queen of Swords. Meron tayong the Empress, Queen of Wands, at saka Queen of Swords. So, you know better, Virgo. Okay. Kung sino man yung mga taong gustong manipulahin ka regarding sa financial, it's up to you. Okay. And on the another hand, merong ditong Two of Cups, very codependent, gusto umasa sa'yo lahat. Okay. Devil card, codependency. Toxicity, addiction. Okay. Sinanay yun eh. May sinanay kasi dito itong Rona to. Lumaki ulo. Okay. Pero iniintindi pa rin with the Empress card is being present. Pero ang Empress medyo nag-highlights ang Queen of Wands tsaka Queen of Swords niya. At times, okay. Kapag ka nati-trigger talaga ang Empress. So, pag ang Empress, meron siyang certain character na kailangang ilabas pag nakikita niya ang sitwasyon is talagang out of control. Okay. So, magpapakita siya ng character dito one by one. Kumbaga, 4-in-1 siya. Ilalabas niya yung dalawa niyang character. Ipagsasabay, i-cocombine niya yun. Okay. Blunt na walang pake. Don't give something here with the Queen of Swords at saka fiery, medyo hyper. Pero Ang Queen of Wands is very compassionate, very loving. Okay. Huwag mo lang gagalitin kasi umaapoy siya. Okay. So, together combination ng Queen of Swords, dire-diretso talaga ang salita niya. Huwag mong iti-trigger. Okay. So, for some of you, meron na tayong King of Cups dito. May nag-introspect dito ng sitwasyon. Okay. And someone is surrender na. Merong nag-surrender dito because of the sneakiness, the lying, the back and forth lying, the back and forth cheating. So, there is nothing there. It's empty. So, ikaw on the another hand, dito Virgo, hindi kita makita. Asan ka ba? Or merong naghahanap sa'yo, or merong gustong mag-reach out sa'yo, or meron ka ditong blinak with the Queen of Swords. Meron ka ditong ini-ignore or out of communication. Okay. Meron ditong judgment calling eh. So, King and Queen of Swords. Meron na tayong couple card dito. Five of Pentacles. Be careful lang sa finances mo, Virgo. Spending too much sa mga kailangan may control or kailangan mong maging wise sa finances kasi merong lalapit sa'yo dito. Okay. Trickster to eh. I think you know better. Kasi akala niya matalino siya pero hindi niya alam mas matalino ka. Impress ka na eh. Hello, haharap ka. King of Swords ka lang samantalang na-embody ko ng apat. Kung i-combine ko yung apat na yan din, hello ang King of Swords. At saka King of Cups. Okay, titirahin ka nito emotionally at first with the King of Cups. King of Cups hindi siya showy pero very loving. Meron siyang mga certain traits, mga character na talagang matatrap ka or mafo-fall ka. Okay, pero in the back of the King of Cups, meron din siyang duality when it comes to strategically na makaka-benefit or hindi ko naman sinabing masama ang person na to pero out of curiosity kasi meron tayong devil out of curiosity lang na kung kaagat or tatanggapin mo pa or kasi codependent to eh. Inaasahan nito na ikaw ang magfu-fulfill ng cup niya. Inaasahan niya or umaasa siya na maging parehas ka pa rin ng dati. Yung dating nakasanayan niyang ikaw. Nagets mo ako, Virgo. Someone is really feeling left out. Walking away card with the Five of Pentacles. Just be careful with this person, Virgo. Kasi Ace of Cups nyo beginning. Grabe. Halos ano na to ng ilang beses ako nag-upload puro parehas ang senaryo na napipick up ko na energy but ibang yung parang sinasabing same shit, different day. Ay, na-over ko. Be careful lang sa mga big purchases mo, Virgo. What else? The Star card. I-heal ang sitwasyon. Ikaw, Virgo, nasa sa'yo yan. Three of Pentacles. Justice card. Someone will come. Okay. May mag-rush in sa'yo. Communication talaga ang lakas. Together with the Moon card. Pero mayroong siyang hinahide. Ano bang intention nito? Tell me more, what is the intention niya? Even though na-clear naman sa akin kung anong intention niya with the Devil and the Two of Cups. Okay. Gusto niyang ilang sitwasyon makipag-partnership sa'yo agad pero ikaw dito on the other hand in-introspect mo pa kung deserve pa. Kailangan, ano ba siya, legit ba siya, parang feeling ko. You will know it, intuition. Yung intuition mo. Okay. Four of Wands moving in together. Stuck ka lang nito ulit eh. Merong mag-i-stuck sa'yo dito, Virgo. So, be careful, pay attention. Distraction 'to. 'Pag lumabas ang Devil card at saka Seven of Swords, huwag na tayong umasa. Dahil paulit-ulit lang. Wheel of Fortune mo. Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Swords. Gusto mo ba yan? Parang nasa paikot-ikot na. Sige mong takbo sa gitna. Ano nga ang tawag niyan? Yung may daga sa gitna. Tapos takbo lang siya ng takbo, walang katapusan. So, kung itong person na to, nag-promise siya na married, engagement, or nag-communicate siya sa'yo na something in that line. But with the Justice card, ikaw dito ang makakapag-prove. Ikaw nasa sa'yo ang desisyon kung gustong magkaroon ng partnership or make amends. Okay, Virgo with the Star card. Pero regardless ng mga card ng marriage, engagement, message, sweet talk, kasi ang Knight of Cups is make things done, getting married together, Three of Pentacles, collaboration, healing the situation, meron ka pa rin Devil at saka Seven of Swords. So, hindi mo naisip yan. Hindi ba something is wrong? Okay. Sige nga, sabi mo sa akin. Explain yourself here, Virgo. Para bagang ano ako magsalita kasi parang paulit-ulit ang mensahe ko. Wala akong magagawa, paulit-ulit din naman yung lumalabas eh. Makulit din tong energetically talagang dinidisturb nito ang peace mo. Meaning to say, bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi, ayan no. Klaradong-klarado. Klaradong-klarado, healing, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. You already walk away. Meron tayong couple card, King and Queen of Swords, utakan. Meron din tayong Cups. King of Cups, King of Swords. Pero on the other hand, meron tayong Queen of Swords at saka Queen of Pentacles. Ay, Queen of Wands. Actually, lumabas na yung Pentacles. So, you are on your power here, Virgo. You have all the tools actually. Nasa iyo lahat ng tools, so nasa sayo ang desisyon. Two of Swords. Decision ka nga, kailangan mag-desisyon. Nasa sayo pa rin. The World card. Ending something in order to begin new one. If okay ka lang sa person from the past, kasi kabisado mo na. Kabisado mo na nga mas lalong kabisado ka din niya. So, alam niya kung paano ka paikutin. You know what I mean? Hindi ko naman sinasabing masama siyang tao, pero meron siyang habit na hindi niya mapigilan. Meron siyang habit na hindi niya mapigilan, like let's just say pagiging codependent sa'yo, lagi kang nandyan para sa kanya, you are always open, you are always there. Okay, so itong person na to gustong ma-tied up sa'yo, and meron kasi tayong ayoko mag-sugarcoat. Sinasabi ko lang ang totoo na sa una masaya. Okay. Pero at the end of the day, mare-realize mo na parang na-trap ka ulit. Kasi mapapagod ka. As I said, nandun ang Two of Cups, chemistry ang lakas. It is destined to happen with the Wheel of Fortune. If hindi mo pa natututunan kung anong lesson ang dapat mong matutunan. Okay, it's very hard. So, Two of Swords, Two of Cups, Four of Wands, Eight of Swords. Five of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. Kailangan. Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung relate ka sa sitwasyon, pero ang lakas natidrain na ako agad Hindi nga, parang nahatak ako ng, ano ba yan? Wait lang. Hindi ko alam kung i-upload ko to or something. Sensya ka na, meron akong pusa dito. um, yung tipong nag-heal ka, okay, or nasa proseso ka ng healing, tapos bigla siyang uuspot kasi makikisabay sa paggusto niya i-heal mo siya. Very codependent, Virgo. So, nasa sa'yo yan. Kung sino man tong person na to or you are a cross-watcher, just take how it's resonate, okay. Hindi ko naman sinabing panig na panig talaga ako kay Virgo or what or in some point. Okay, pero sa nakikita ko, merong isang person dito na very codependent, gustong i-heal mo siya, which is hindi naman ikaw ang wala ka naman dapat paks dun sa ano, paghi-healing niya. Kasi ang paghi-healing is self. Sa sarili mo, hindi ka puwedeng i-heal ng ibang tao. Puwede pero temporarily. It will get worse. Don't get me wrong, 'di ba, Virgo? Um, Gusto niyang umasa, tingnan mo andito na, oh, sinamay mo, ay ano baby. Hmm, you know what I mean, Virgo? Ayan na, tumungtong na siya. So, yun lang ang nakikita ko dito. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Mercury ang advice. What is the advice here, please? Para po sa mga hindi maka-resonate, please, don't try to fit in po. Okay ba? Sa majority po, sa dami ng nanonood, just take how it's resonate po and leave what doesn't. Okay, so, sensya na nadidistract ako dito sa pusa ko. Ay, sa pusa ko. Sa pusa pala ng sa pusa ng tinitirhan ko. So, tingnan natin. A time for healing, as I said, hindi putik. Sorry! Ay, sorry lang. Communication is the key. Look at the bigger picture. Ang advice sa'yo dito, Virgo, is a time for healing. Okay. Time for healing. Communication is the key. And look at the bigger picture. So, as I said kanina, merong codependent dito na person. Two of Cups, the Devil, and the Five of Swords. Yung confrontation card na yan, kasi you're doing good So, nag-iisip ka dito kung deserve talagang bigyan mo pa siya ng isa pang opportunity. With the calling card, you are being recognized. Being recognized at work or something that you are doing good, Virgo. And then all of a sudden, someone will pop out. And then ngayon nasa decision making ka. Wala ka naman dapat decision making dito kung hindi to papasok So, a time for healing. Nag-heal ka dito. For some Virgos na ma-okay naman ang relationship, better luck next time po. Okay. So, this is po para, ang reading po na to is para po sa mga Virgong nagkakaroon ng issue, merong issue pagdating sa, basta you are dealing with toxicity, like relationship. Tapos para bagang feeling down ako. Nagre-reading ako para bagang feeling down. Parang feeling ko nostalgic. Parang feeling ko ah, low energy. Ewan ko, kailangan ko siguro magkape. Okay, nothing is set in stone. Okay, for some of you, hindi ka pa nakapag-final decision, or someone here is hindi pa nakapag-final decision kasi magbe-base siya sa decision mo, but at the end of the day, parang nasa rat race ka pa rin. So, nasa sa'yo yan, Virgo. I think, inaalam mo din eh. Inaalam mo din. Kasi, with the finances, with the pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Meron ka ng Queen of Pentacles eh. Ayun o. Queen of Pentacles, living in together, moving in together, together. Mayroon kang communication na gustong marriage, engagement, partnership, Three of Pentacles, Justice card, all about legalities. Justice card is a karma card. Hindi niya matanggap na you are going somewhere without this person. So, itatry niyang i-heal ang sitwasyon. Okay. Hindi ka healing. Gusto niyang i-heal mo siya. Very codependent. I think ginawa mo na ng paulit-ulit eh. Healing. Away bati, away bati, away bati. Something in that line, Virgo. So, at this time, you need to make a decision. If this person deserves something, living in together again. Okay. So, nothing yet is set in stone. So, I think hindi ka pa in between ka. So, tingnan natin. What is your angel message number? Tsaka lalo na yung the calling, meron kang calling dito. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung magkakaroon ka ng panahon dito. Kasi itong person na to, walking away lang at saka 5 of Pentacles. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw nang nag-walk away dito sa person na to. Kasi emotionally, financially, physically drained talaga. Pwede bang ma-drain ng physical? Oo naman. Energetically. So, let's see. Underneath ng Two of Swords. The High Priest, the Five of Cups, and the Lovers. Oh, shoot. Alam mo yan, Virgo, with the intuition card. Okay. Inilalagay mo pa yung sarili mo sa posisyon na may pagpipilian ka eh. Meaning to say, hindi ko naman sinabing ako magdedesisyon para sa'yo, but or kung ano man itong nakikita natin, sitwasyon mo pa rin yan. Ikaw pa rin ang magdadala. Ikaw pa rin ang nasa sitwasyon. So, wala kaming karapatan. Wala akong karapatang husga or what or something. Pero sinasabi ko lang sa'yo, para po sa mga Virgo na nasa crossroad or nasa decision making, kung ito man lang ang magiging outcome, Eight of Swords, trap, paulit-ulit, codependent with the Devil and the Seven of Swords. I don't know. Ikaw na bahala. Okay. Sorry. Angel message number. Angel message number. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Andyan ka na sa higaan ko, Yotik. Wait lang. Jack. 8K. 825. 825. Merong King and Jack na ancestor mo. Nasa kabila. Okay, so meron kami mensahe 825. Google mo siya, Virgo. Angel message number 825. This is what I have for you, Virgo, for now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Parang feeling down ako eh. For some of you, hindi ko alam kung you are feeling the same way. Okay. Parang nakakatamad digalaw. Kahit nga magsalita eh. Parang something, hindi ko alam kung energy mo to or sa akin ba to energy. I think hindi. Hindi ko energy to eh. Hindi ko alam kung kanino, maybe ikaw or the person that you're dealing with. Parang feeling nakakatamad. Parang feeling sarap lang humiga. So anyway, Virgo, this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here. Not yet set in stone. So, decision making, bottom of the deck din to. So, kung makikita mo, yan, paampit ko lang, okay, na hindi mo naman kailangan ilagay ang sarili mo sa posisyon na andun yung chemistry, ang lakas kasi. So, to the point na maa-addict ka talaga. Gusto mo siya makita, gusto mo siya makausap, gusto mo siya makasama. Pero at the end of the day, kung titingnan mo naman future mo or for long term or 10 years, 20 years, 50 years along the road na ganun, magsasuffer ka. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords, the Devil card. Meron siyang habit dito. So, kung kaya mo yun, then go ahead. Look at the bigger picture. Kaya yun ang advice sa'yo. Look at the bigger picture. Nothing is yet set in stone. A time for healing. So, in order for you to attract someone or mag-iba ang energy or habit ng person na to, you should, I think, meron ka din kailangan baguhin. Okay. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Hindi ko alam this is what I have for you, Virgo. Anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next one. Bye for now.